Good morning to you. Our weather remains settled as we head through the next few days. It's largely dry. One weather front makes some progress. It brings with it some rain. Behind it, colder air filters in, and weather fronts try to battle in through the weekend. And they move into the far northwest, where we're most likely to see rain, but most other places closer to high pressure. This is the force field keeping those weather fronts at bay, and many of us are looking dry. So mixed fortunes for today. In the south, we have fog, a cold, frosty start. In the north, we have our windy conditions with rain moving in later. Here's how it looks first thing this morning. Temperatures starting between -6 and -8 degrees for some parts of England. As well as that, we have freezing fog, notoriously stubborn to clear, and it may well last until 11 or 12 o'clock for some areas, so slow going on the roads. But then once it clears, much like yesterday, a good-looking day, plenty of sunshine, the wind southwesterly, feeding up the mild air, and highs of 9. Further north, milder still, 9, maybe 10 degrees, but here comes the strengthening wind and a band of rain moving into the far northwest later, and this slips its way southwards overnight tonight. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, we'll look at the trend across the north of the UK. So we look at Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far north of England. And we've seen how we have our southwesterly feed of air, and that keeps things mild. So temperature-wise, they're pretty much above average as we head through the next 7 days. And with a fair bit of cloud through the coming nights, it actually looks largely frost-free. Percentage chance of rainfall. We have this band of rain moving into the northwest later on. The rest of the week and the weekend actually look largely dry, but hints of something a little wetter arriving as we head into the start of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, yet again, we continue with this mild southwesterly feed of air. Temperatures are above average. Some clear starry skies still mean we could see some frost overnight, but percentage chance of rainfall, well, the weather symbols say it all. Lots of fine, dry, sunny weather to be enjoyed, but hints that something a little more unsettled with some showers could return as we head into next week.